To add a cleaning fee on Vrbo, start by logging into your Vrbo account and navigating to your property listings. Select the property for which you want to add a cleaning fee and click on the Pricing and Availability tab. In the Pricing and Availability section, scroll down to the Additional Fees subsection and click on the Add Fee button. From the drop-down menu, select Cleaning Fee as the fee type and enter the amount you want to charge for cleaning. You can choose to charge a fixed amount per stay or a percentage of the total booking cost when charging a fixed amount. Specify the amount and the currency. When charging a percentage, specify the percentage and the minimum and maximum amounts. After setting the cleaning fee amount, you can also add a description to explain what the fee covers, such as laundry, trash removal, or deep cleaning. This description will be visible to guests when they book your property, so make sure it is clear and concise. Once you have set the cleaning fee and added a description, click Save to update your property listing. The cleaning fee will now be included in the total cost of the booking and will be paid by the guest along with the rental fee. It is essential to ensure that your cleaning fee is reasonable and competitive with other properties in your area. Research what other hosts are charging for cleaning fees in your location to determine a fair and competitive rate. Additionally, make sure to clearly communicate the cleaning fee to your guests and explain what it covers. This will help avoid any misunderstandings or disputes. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add a cleaning fee to your Vrbo listing and ensure a smooth and profitable rental experience. Remember to review and update your cleaning fee regularly to reflect any changes in your cleaning costs or services. This will help you maintain a competitive edge and provide the best possible experience for your guests.